Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oxford Academy Tuition Center. I am Rimsha Khan from class 3rd A. Today we are going to tell about picture in words. This is a picture of a bathroom and I label the things in it: towel, shower, tap, bucket, mug, tub, slippers, wipers, mirror, wash basin, soap, bathing stool. That is a towel. It is used to wipe hands, face, and body. That is a shower. I enjoy bathing under the shower. That is a tap. I open the tap and I close the tap after using it to save the water. Those are brushes and toothpaste. I apply toothpaste to the brush and then I brush my teeth. This is a bucket. It is used to carry wet clothes and carrying the water. This is a mug. I scoop water with it from the bucket. This is a tub. It is used to bath and wash clothes. This is a bathing stool. I sit on the bathing stool. These are slippers. We put on slippers, walk around the bathroom. That is a soap. It is used to remove dirt and germs. That is a wiper. I clean the floor with it. That is a mirror. I look my face in the mirror. That is a wash basin. I wash my face at the wash basin.
Hello students, this activity is presented by my daughter Ramsha Khan from class 3rd A, and I hope you enjoyed this activity of describing picture in words. If you did, subscribe to my channel for more engaging content. Your valuable comments and feedbacks are welcome in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.